Hi everyone, this is the complete PC optimization guide for the EA Sports FC25 game. I will show you guys the 14 important settings that you need to apply to optimize your PC for this game. So first setting is the set high performance power plan. So go to the Windows side, type in the power plan and it will appear on the top, so open it. Now click on the power options, then just click on the create a power plan. Now here just select the high performance power plan and just click on the next, then just create it. So once you created it, now the next setting is turn off system configuration services. So go to the Windows Settings tab here, the system configurations and open it. Now here you see the services on the top, so just click on that. Now here just check this box or the hide all my services, then just click on the disable all. These are also the useless services that are consuming a lot of CPU or RAM and you just need to apply this. Now the next solution is or the next setting is disable startup apps. Open up the task manager, go to the startups and guys here you just need to disable all the background application because these applications start automatically when you start your PC and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage. Now the next is clear all Windows cache. So go to the Windows side tab where it is cleanup, open it, select the C, then click on the OK. Then here check all of these boxes you are seeing here, which is the temporary files, recycle bin, then just click on the OK, then just delete these files. And once you delete this, go to the Windows side tab with the run and just type here the temp or the percentage temp percentage. So when you type this, just click on the OK, then it will take you to the folder where your all the Windows cache or the junk files. So just select that all and then just delete that. Now you can also go to the folder of percentage temp percentage and just delete it. Now the next setting is disable high precision event timer. Go to the Windows tab with the device manager, open it. Now here just scroll down and you will see the system devices and just look for the high precision event timer. Right click on that, then just disable this. This will increase your game FPS. Now the next solution is or the next setting is close background app. This is not necessary, so just skip it. Now the next setting is disable background apps from privacy settings. So go to the Windows tab with the privacy settings, open it. Now here on the left hand side, just scroll down, click on the background apps. Now here just turn it off. These are also the application that run on your PC and causing your game crash or any kind of other problems. Now the next step is to off turn on fast startup. So go to the Windows tab here, the power options and it will appear on the top, so open it. Now here you will see the power options on the top, so just click on that. Now here on the left hand side, just click on the choose what the power button do, then just click on the change. Then here just uncheck this box if this is checked. Then click on the save changes. The next setting is enable game mode. So go to the Windows search and just type here the game mode and open it. Now here make sure that this is on. This will close all the background application when you're on the game. The next is to increase virtual memory. It is for the increase system RAM and increase GPU RAM. Go to the Windows setup with the view advanced system setting, open it. Just click on the advanced, then just go to the advanced, then just click on the change. Then here just click on the custom size, then just select your C disk where your operating system is installed. Then go to the Windows search and just type here the calculator and open it. Now guys, here if you have the 16 GB of RAM, then just multiply it with the 1024, which is the constant value, and just type here in the initial size. Then just multiply it with the 3 and just type this value in the maximum size. And if you have the 32 GB of RAM, then just multiply it with the 1024, which is the constant value, and just type this in the initial size. Then just multiply it with the 3 and just type this value in the maximum size. Then just click on the set, then just click on the OK. Then just click on the OK again to apply the changes, then just click on the apply. Now the next important settings is to increase number of processors, increase processor power, increase game performance. So go to the Windows search and just type here the system configuration, open it, then just go to the boot, then just click on the advanced options, then just select here the maximum number of processors you have. If you have the 4, 8, 16, any value, then just select it, click on the apply. Now the next setting is to core isolation for extreme FPS increase. Go to the Windows setup with the core isolation and open it. Now here make sure that this is off. Now this is for the security reason but not necessary, so just turn it off. Now the next setting is the graphics setting. Go to the Windows search and just type with the graphics settings and open it. Now here just click on your game, then just click on the options then just select it to the high performance. So it can use all your graphic card power. To add the game, click on the browse option. Now here just need to locate your game folder where your game is installed. Then just select your game launcher or exe file. Then just click on the options. Then just select it to the high performance. The additional Windows setting is to make sure your graphic card is updated and make sure your Windows is also updated to the latest version. Then simply restart your PC and now your PC is completely optimized for the FC25 game. And guys, if you find this video helpful, so please consider liking, and I will see you guys in the next video, and bye bye and take care.